Rome's African secret sat on the imperial throne, and they erased his story. His name was Septimius Severus. Born in Leptis Magna, North Africa, he rose from provincial roots to rule the world's greatest empire. In the sun-baked lands of North Africa, Severus's family carried the rich tapestry of Punic and Berber heritage. Their blood flowed with the ancient wisdom of Carthage and the resilience of the Berber people. But destiny had grander plans for young Severus, pulling him from the warm embrace of his homeland to the very heart of power. In Rome, Severus embarked on a journey that would reshape an empire. He immersed himself in the finest education the Eternal City could offer, his mind sharpened by philosophy and law. With determination etched into every fiber of his being, he earned the coveted prize of Roman citizenship. But Severus was not content to rest on laurels. The legions called, and he answered. Through dust and blood, Severus climbed the ranks of Rome's mighty military machine. Each promotion was a step closer to unimaginable power, each battle hardening him for the ultimate test of leadership. The African outsider was becoming the ultimate Roman insider, his tactical brilliance matched only by his political acumen. Yet it was not just martial prowess that elevated Severus. In a move that would echo through history, he joined his fate to that of Julia Domna, a Syrian empress of formidable intellect and ambition. Their union was more than a marriage. It was a symbol of Rome's vast reach and diversity at the very pinnacle of power. East met West, and Africa stood at the center, embodied in the person of Severus. As emperor, Severus unleashed the full might of Rome across 3 continents. He marched through the misty hills of Britain, leaving his mark on Hadrian's Wall, a testament to Rome's northern frontier. But his gaze turned east as well, leading campaigns that pushed the empire's boundaries to new horizons. Cities fell, kings bowed, and the eagle standards of Rome flew higher than ever before. Yet amidst the glory of conquest, Severus never forgot the sands of his birth. In a grand gesture that merged sentiment with strategy, he turned his attention to Leptis Magna. Under his patronage, this African city blossomed into a marvel of the ancient world. Marble columns rose towards azure skies, while intricate mosaics told stories of gods and men. Forums echoed with the voices of orators, and in the bustling harbors, ships from across the Mediterranean offloaded exotic wares. Leptis Magna became a jewel in Rome's crown, a shining symbol of Africa's place in the empire. Severus's vision extended beyond stone and mortar. In a move that sent shockwaves through Rome's entrenched aristocracy, he elevated fellow Africans and provincials to positions of unprecedented power. The corridors of imperial administration, once the exclusive domain of old Roman families, now buzzed with diverse accents and fresh ideas. This was not mere favoritism. It was a calculated strategy to harness the empire's full potential, drawing on talents that had long been overlooked. The African emperor's impact reached far beyond his lifetime. His legal reforms reshaped the very foundations of Roman jurisprudence, creating a legacy that would influence law codes for centuries to come. Long after Severus's mortal frame had returned to dust, his ideas continued to shape the way Rome governed its vast domains. But history, as written by the victors, can be a fickle mistress. As the centuries rolled on, a curious transformation took place in the annals of Rome. Later historians, perhaps uncomfortable with the idea of an African at the helm of their idealized empire, began to downplay Severus's origins. His complexion lightened in artistic depictions, his accent was scrubbed from the record, and slowly but surely, Rome was reshaped into a purely European myth. This erasure was not complete, however. The ruins of Leptis Magna still stand, defiant against the sands of time and the winds of historical revisionism. Severus's name remains carved in stone, a silent rebuke to those who would deny his African identity. The empire he ruled touched 3 continents, a testament to the multicultural reality of Rome at its height, a reality embodied in the person of its African emperor. Today, as we unearth the buried truths of history, Septimius Severus emerges as a figure of profound importance. His story challenges our preconceptions about race, power, and identity in the ancient world. It forces us to confront the uncomfortable reality that history is often shaped more by the biases of its chroniclers than by the facts themselves. The tale of Rome's African emperor is more than just a fascinating historical footnote. It is a powerful reminder of Africa's central role in shaping world civilization. From the libraries of Alexandria to the courts of Carthage, African minds and African hands have left an indelible mark on human progress. Severus stands as a towering example of this legacy, his life a bridge between continents and cultures. As we stand amidst the ruins of Leptis Magna, feeling the warm African breeze that once caressed the face of an emperor, we are confronted with a choice. Do we accept the sanitized version of history, with its neat categories and comforting myths? Or do we have the courage to embrace the messy, glorious truth of our shared human story? Rome's emperor from Africa deserves to be remembered. His achievements echo through time, challenging us to see the past and ourselves in a new light. We must recognize that greatness knows no color, that genius respects no border. In reclaiming Severus's story, we reclaim a piece of our collective heritage. History chose to erase him. We choose to remember. The marble busts may have been whitewashed, but the truth endures, etched in stone and written in the very DNA of our civilization. Septimius Severus, African by birth, Roman by citizenship, and a leader of global significance, stands as a testament to the power of diversity and the enduring legacy of Africa in world history. As the sun sets over the ruins of Leptis Magna, casting long shadows across forums where an emperor once walked, we are reminded that the past is never truly gone. It lives in the stories we choose to tell, in the heroes we choose to honor. Today, we choose to honor Septimius Severus, Rome's African emperor, history's hidden champion, and a powerful symbol of our interconnected world. History chose to erase him. We choose to remember. Subscribe to History Rewritten and join us as we uncover the hidden truths that shaped our world. The story of Septimius Severus is just the beginning. What other secrets lie buried in the sands of time, waiting to be unearthed? Together, we'll rewrite history, one forgotten hero at a time.